Throughout history, petroleum has played an absolutely pivotal role in shaping this world.
As we progress toward this new age of petroleum expansion, analysts seek to predict the future of the market.
In this video, we will discuss
shale and fracking,
past, present, and future of natural gas,
the U.S. export ban,
low prices of natural gas,
production advantages and disadvantages of natural gas.
Our attempt is to highlight certain issues that stand out to create a more informed and well-adjusted next generation of engineers.
Hello, I am Mohammed and I'm going to talk about shale and fracking.
The first step in fracking is to drill vertically until you reach the zone of interest, which is shale. Then you drill horizontally into the formation. After that, you start pumping your cracking fluid into the formation. We want to make cracks on shale because it is impermeable. We do the cracking method several times to extract more gas from shale. After making the small cracks into shale, the gas will have freedom to move to the surface. I want to give the credit for the animation to SMT Learning channel on YouTube. For more information about fracking, you will find the link in the description.
Hello everyone, my name is Nifin and I will talk about past, present, and future of natural gas. The world may not notice the major role of natural gas in the present time. The world has increased its demand for natural gas through years. In 1785, natural gas was first introduced commercially in Britain, where it was produced from coal to lighthouses and streets. In 1816, Baltimore, Maryland was the first city in the United States to lighten its streets with gas. In 1855, Robert Bunsen invented a burner that mixed air with natural gas called Bunsen burner. After World War II, thousands of miles of pipelines were built throughout the United States. Natural gas is presently used in many types of vehicles in Italy, New Zealand, Australia, Canada, Argentina, and United States. As the technology advances, natural gas will have more uses around the home, powering appliances like space heater, pool, jacuzzi heaters, and barbecues, as well as outdoor lights or even air conditions. All these advances technologies will assure a better future and more demand for natural gas. Thank you.
Hi, I'm John Agnew, and today I'll be very briefly discussing what we can expect to see in these upcoming years to the U.S. export ban. First off, we must realize the difference between gasoline that we put into our cars and the crude oil that we extract from within the earth. Gasoline and other petroleum products are made from the process of refining crude oil. U.S. petroleum products are bought and sold on a global market where crude oil is restricted to domestic sales. This ban was originally established to help protect us from the volatile spikes of the market after the 1973 oil crisis. In the past couple of years, the ability to horizontally drill and hydraulically fracture shale formations has allowed our domestic crude production to fly skyward. In fact, production has grown so much that the crude oil is bottlenecking at the refineries, and many other refineries cannot process the light, tight crude oil because they are configured for heavier crudes from countries such as Mexico and Venezuela. Adding depth and stability to where the world draws its crude oil from will lessen the volatility of the price swings of the crude market, in turn adding energy security benefits to our gasoline prices. So we find our country at a crossroads, where a law meant to protect our interests is starting to hurt them by restricting our recent advances in production.
Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about the low prices of natural gas. While people are considering the reduction of oil prices, prices of natural gas are decreasing in the recent years. Crude oil is running over storage tanks around the United States. However, natural gas follows more of a seasonal order. Workers will struggle to produce natural gas build up inventories on the warm months, April to October, but in the cold months, United States businesses and consumers heat some of the natural gas storage to maintain warmth. With the winter behind us, very high demand is over for the year, and compared to the rough winter in 2014 that consumed inventories, United States inventories of natural gas are now in a much good position, The United States used nearly 30% less natural gas in 2015 compared to the last year.
With the high demand on reliable sources in the world, countries seek the best available and affordable source to utilize and build the country's future. Although oil is used as number one source in the world, countries are looking for another efficient hydrocarbon source that can replace oil. And knowing that natural gas is cleaner, efficient, and affordable, nations will look for a way to produce it and rely on it on the future. The consumption of natural gas is growing up rapidly, so in order to keep with that rate, countries must raise the rate of the production. From the supporters' angle of view, natural gas is environmentally clean and it can be safely transferred from place to another. The problem that with natural gas is that it's highly flammable, and this point goes for the supporter of the disadvantages of this fuel. So, is natural gas the fuel of the future? The precise answer can be given by authorities. This is Maad Almani.
We have come a long way since the first oil well drilled in 1821, only 27 feet deep into the earth. The engineering field surrounding the petroleum industry has progressed considerably and will continue to advance well into the future. If people continue to inhabit this earth with the same routines, there will always be a demand for an energy resource, and natural gas has the qualities that can carry the globe for many years to come. Natural gas has allowed us to continue to develop our technologies by supporting our energy-focused lifestyle, and it has the characteristics to support and help reconstruct our economy that is in need of rebuilding. All of the past uses of natural gas, such as gas lamps, have been engineered to work more efficiently in our present lives. Having a resource that can support our lifestyle needs will allow us to continue in technology development. The most recent improvements in extracting natural gas and crude oil are hydraulic fracturing and horizontal drilling. These methods will continue to develop well into the future. We should enjoy these low energy prices while they are around. These prices tend to fluctuate, but educated projections show promising potential for the natural gas industry.